What's good, man? It's your boy Young Cannon. You know what I'm saying? We down here in the studio. We about to drop a new single for y'all on Facebook. You know what I mean? We got mixtape coming out in a couple days. Tour coming up. Couple shows coming up. You know what I mean? If you're watching this video, make sure you like this video too. Cause we got, you know what I mean? We got some real riders and supporters on Facebook, so, you know what I mean, for now on, we just gonna be throwing a little bit of music out for y'all here and there, so y'all can have something to listen to the mixtape to drop. But, I got my niggas in the building.
T-Tall, BCG was popping, so.
I mean, so we in here working, you know what I'm saying? So I just want y'all, you know what I mean, make sure that y'all appreciate, you know what I'm saying, to support the music that we do, because, you know what I mean, we spend long hours in the studio, like long hours. So I don't know. I mean, shout out to DJ IG. Shout out to Shano, that nigga doing this thing. Shout out to D-Dot. You know what I mean? These niggas, you know what I mean, that I talk to on the regular, I mean, anyway, that show love. So I just wanted, I mean, say, you know what I mean, what up? That's 2-8. Shout out to them niggas too. Them niggas, I'm seeing them niggas put that work in. Get at it.